Step 1. Wrap the effort belt around your chest and buckle it. Pull the belt above the chest line and center it. Wrap the second effort belt around your stomach and buckle it. Pull the belt directly over or slightly below your navel. Plug in the black effort sensor cable into the lower effort belt around the stomach by pushing the snap button. Plug in the red effort sensor cable into the upper effort belt around the chest by pushing the snap button. Insert the end of the sensor cable into the device connector. Step 2. Insert the nasal prongs into your nose. Pull the tubing behind your both ears. Pull the slide up to your chin till the nasal cannula fits snugly. Insert and twist the end of the cannula tube into the cannula device connector. Step 3. Insert your index finger into the pulse oximeter sensor so that it covers your fingertip. Insert the tubular bandage net into your hand and then inside your finger to secure the wire in place. Insert the end of the oximeter cable into the device connector. Step 4. Seal the medical tape across your forehead to secure the JAWAC wire in place. Seal the medical tape across the middle of your chin to secure the JAWAC wire in place. Insert the end of the JAWAC sensor cable into the device connector. The device will start recording automatically.